bustling heart of New Baneshwor, where innovation meets opportunity, stands SB Computer, your gateway to a secure digital future. Just steps away from OM Shanti Tailors, our company, located on the 4th floor, is dedicated to safeguarding your digital world. Step into our welcoming reception area, where curiosity meets guidance. Here, a student seeks the keys to unlocking their potential in the realm of cybersecurity. At SB Computer, we're not just educators, we're mentors, guiding you towards a future-proof career in cybersecurity. Welcome to our cybersecurity laboratory, where theory meets practice under the guidance of seasoned experts. Here at SB Computer, learning goes beyond theories. Our hands-on real-life pentest ensures you're equipped to tackle real-world cybersecurity challenges head-on. SB Computer, empowering you to navigate the digital landscape safely and confidently. Admission is open for cybersecurity and ethical hacking, with industry-level training with Internship. Enroll today and join the ranks of cybersecurity professionals securing tomorrow's world.
भनेको मैले तीनटै पोर्टलाई एकैचोटी भर्जन र डिफल्ट स्क्रिप्ट लगाएको है ल अब यसको के आयो रिजल्ट यसको एउटा मिसकन्फिगरेसन एउटा भेटाएँ मैले अब